Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Iron Snout, and today we're going to be taking out the M4A3E2 Jumbo, or basically the 75 Jumbo. Now, this thing right now currently sits at 5'3", but if you look at its armor, it's got quite a bit on the front sloped plate. You got a bit more around the turret. So you have all that at 5'3", but you only have your little wimpy 75mm cannon that has like 100mm of penetration. So some say it's OP, some say it's trash. Right now I'm gonna be playing it. I'm gonna be joined by Lilpablos.
Hello.
So with that said, let's get right into the battle, and I hope you enjoy the video. Now, I did play this in my Clan Wars video. Did pretty well. Now, just if you see a long 88, run for your life. I'm gonna shoot smoke all over their place. I'm gonna shoot all my 5 smoke shells all over their spawn. Huh? Hello?
Yeah?
You got really quiet there. Maybe. Sounds like you're far away from your mic.
Alright, hold up.
Let me turn you up.
Yeah.
Let
Or
me
I can just higher the volume on my mic.
user. There.
Hello?
Now you're really loud.
Really loud? Am I too loud?
Nah, it's fine. I hope. Probably it'll be
I am
good.
repairing my track at the moment, so yeah.
I hear somebody.
Yeah.
I hear somebody over there. There's probably someone over there. Driving like this is probably a very bad idea.
Yes, it is. This map is really stupid too.
Yeah, it's really hard to. Oh, there's a VK or something like that. Yeah, it's a VK. All right, I got everybody in his turret.
VK is
Dead.
VK, yeah, I was about to shoot you, kill stealer.
I didn't steal his kill. I just hurt him, gave him a real bad headache. Killed everybody in the turret.
Only? How did that kill him?
Somebody else killed him.
That sucks.
Ouch. There's someone right there. There is someone right there. I have 2 crew left. Dude, I tell you, there's someone there, and there's also someone right behind me on yonder rock. This.
Okay, we just run.
No, we're in big trouble. There's someone right behind. Alright, you get him undistracted on that side. I'm gonna go around him. Hey, Tiggy. What's up, G? Hold up, I'm reloading here. I don't have a loader. My loader is dead. Alright, he's dead.
Yes, I got his side.
Good.
It's
Oh,
really
there's
fast.
somebody over there.
Huh?
Someone up there. He's scouted. Alright. He's like 800. It looks like a BT or something. I can't tell what it is. Oh, it's small. That'll be. Oh, there I go. He's done. Ow! There's something over here now. I don't know where it is, but he got my turret ring and I'm about to burn up. So let me put up my fire. There's something. He's like. Oh, he's up there. He got my turret ring. Yeah.
Yeah, bounce!
No, that ain't a mouse. If you're saying anything about a mouse, I'm just gonna say you're camping.
No, I said bounce.
Alright.
That's a difference. Bounce and a mouse. there's no fucking mouse at this beyond. What you thinking?
That's what I was about to say. I just said if you stay.
Crazy, madman.
Alright, I have a backup plan.
Same.
But I don't have APHE or FPE on this thing, so
APAP.
or
I have
FE.
I
Yeah.
have AP.
I
I
have-
have APCBC.
I have the solid shot on this.
So you have the AP.
Yeah, it's basically just like a good version of the Firefly. That's what this is. And it's at a higher BR for some reason.
This is not a better. This is a worse because.
It's better because it's stabilized.
Oh yeah. Of course.
It's not fully stabilized, but it is stabilized up to like 10 miles an hour.
Ah, not good enough. He will be on your right side when you turn. He will be like
Oh yeah?
a tiger.
There's a T-34 right there. Oh, that's a Tigor. That's a Tigor. It's also dead. Oh heck, there's lots of stuff over here.
Non-penetration? Really? That's crazy, bro.
Oh, that's kind of.
I'm non-penetrated.
Oh, not good. They gave me a present.
Oh, you out of the game?
No. I had a backup.
I didn't even get his track.
Yeah, I don't have APHE, so I'm probably gonna be. And he is dead though. He's dead. Somebody killed him.
There is no APH in this.
For this tank, yes there is. It's the penetrating shell that explodes when it goes through.
No.
Yes.
No, it only has APCBC.
Oh, I know that's what they call it, but it's an APHE. They just call it that because they're nerds.
Oh, but it is actually called a
Something ballistic capped shell.
yeah. I actually think my U-boat is fully. No, it's not.
What about the Jumbo? Hey!
I thought that I've played it a lot, so I thought I had.
Oh, that is a VK. I'm gonna die.
We just try and push for a flag. Like push here.
I guess. I'm just gonna try to drive around. This thing's kind of slow. It is a heavy tank.
I really wish the Soviets had given us a machine gun, because then we could just like machine gun or
Yes.
answers. Awesome.
But instead, it actually does have a machine gun, but wait, no, it doesn't. This one does not. I really hate.
The premium one.
There is a.
Oh, there's a bunch of stuff there. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it's a Hetzer and a Panzer IV, which I did not dent at all. I'm about to
Got the
die.
Panzer
Yeah, I know. And there's a Hetzer. And there's another thing behind that. I'm getting behind this house because they got my turret rig. But I'm still in action. Oh, now they got my driver. That's gay.
It's right there. I'll mark it. There's a Churchill.
When my crew replenish completes, right there. Now this Hetzer is about to die. No, don't bomb me. Come on, not now. I'm on Hetzer. Ugh! Of course I didn't kill the Hetzer. I just barreled it.
You barreled it. That's good.
I don't know if I like this death bridge so much.
Yeah, it's like you can't really push up with it. You have to like use it as support.
Ow.
Ow,
Now who's shooting me? What the heck, man? Oh, he's over there. Now I begin to understand.
Mark it, mark it.
Be right there.
Come in.
Oh yeah, it's a French thing.
Okay, there's quite a few tanks.
Oh,
that
yeah, yeah, I
come
can see there's a Sherman right here. Hey, bro.
back.
Oh,
Mark him.
I got his barrel. He's right there.
Okay,
I got
mark
his
him.
barrel.
Length of a lifetime.
He's right here, and he is repairing. Have fun with that. I'll get him this next shot when I reload.
Oh no, I'm being straight! No, how is that
Rip.
fair?
It's not. It's what you call cast. Probably the gayest thing in War Thunder.
I agree. Like, genuinely.
Put F in the... Let me get this very top of this man's turret. What? Absolutely effing nothing. Alright, I'm gonna load the high pen round for this.
Yeah.
This is the hard... I didn't know Shermans were this hard to kill for a KV.
Yeah, like I remember saying try and aim for the turret cheeks because I genuinely cannot kill them anywhere else.
I didn't know the Sherman was even good. I thought it was trash the amount I played it.
Yeah, I thought it was trash as well, but it's actually quite.
I played it a
playing
lot.
against it.
Like, I have a lot of playtime in Shermans because I'm a US main, of course. So I played lots of Shermans. All right, let's try this. Nope. Psych. Just going to follow around and see what happens. I did not know that Sherman could survive KV2 hits. Oh, no wonder it's not the American Sherman. It's like that other off-brand cheesy. Oh my gosh, he's a big bullet stuck in the side of his turret. Literally just like stuck there. Like wedged into his turret. There's a huge bullet. That is hilarious. Come on.
Do you know
Finally!
One of the things in this game that annoys me the most?
One of the many things.
It's kind of like heavy tanks where you have to aim for weak spots, where they just bush everywhere, so you literally cannot see them. Like,
Oh,
see
yeah.
where to aim.
Oh yeah, that's
Like-
called pay to win right there. There's a concept 3 on me. I'm gonna die.
No, it's called compensating for a lack of skill and a lack of farthing.
Yeah.
That's what it's
Yeah.
actually called.